And it goes a little something like you all summer and after I'll keep you.
What's up guys, back here with another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Wyze cordless vacuum. If you want to watch the full unboxing of this video, I'll post the link to the video in the description down below. So let's get started. Okay, so here's what comes inside the box. We get a quick start guide. We get the standard tube. We get a cool sticker that says I backed Wyze cordless vacuum. We have the main unit right here. Has a small display right here. We have a wall mount. We get some screws and stuff. And we get some crevice tools. And we also get the standard floor brush. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to charge the main unit. This is one of my favorite things about this vacuum is you don't need to put the whole vacuum together when it's charging. Just go over here, you squeeze it, you pull it out, and you just need to charge this. So once you plug your Wyze charger in, this is what it looks like. It comes with the vacuum. You're going to plug it in. And you're going to plug it in right here. Just like that. On the display, it's going to show you how much battery percentage the battery has, and it's also going to show a mini battery with the battery percentage. Okay, so while the battery's charging, I'm going to show you guys how to put the attachments onto the unit. So let's start with the main vacuum. So you're going to take the standard pipe, and you're going to connect it. So the one that's like this, the side that's like that, you're going to connect that to the floor brush, just like this, and you should hear it click, and it should be on. So the floor brush will move 180, almost 180 degrees, just like this, almost, not quite. And let's attach that to the vacuum. It's right here. We're going to take this side and just like that. When you hear it click, it's on. So here's what the vacuum looks like after the floor brush is on. So to take the floor brush off, there's a little indent of a circle right here. You're going to push it, hold the main vacuum unit, and just pull. Just like that. So let's put this off to the side. I'll show you guys how to put on the crevice tools. So starting off, you have the brush. It's like this when compact, but if you want to put the brush forward, you're going to push this right here and pull it forward, just like that. Now to attach it to the vacuum, just like the floor brush, you're gonna hold this down, put it on, and it should be on, just like this. Here's what it looks like. Take it off. Next up, we have this crevice tool. It's just like the other one. I'm gonna hold it down and put it in, just like that. Here's what the vacuum looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to put the battery pack back on. The battery pack is 6%, that's fine. So let's unplug it. So you're gonna align the sides up, and there's a little crevice right here, and you're going to align that with this teal one, this teal thing right here, and you're gonna align. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to put the battery pack back on. So there's a teal thing right here. You're gonna align that with the crevice right here, and you're gonna align the sides to this side, just like this, and just slide it, just like that. Okay, so here's the vacuum. There's some cool lights in the front, which I really like. You could, when you're using vacuum, you can see all the trash in front of you, so you can easily pick it up. So I think this is kind of genius, in my opinion. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm showing you the screen. As you can see, it says 5%. That's the battery percentage, and if you click that little button, it will change the speeds of the vacuum. Okay, so now I'm going to detach the floor brush, and I'm going to attach one of the crevice cleaner, which is this one. This is the best for corners, I guess. So just press the button and put it on. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you're using it. Now I'm going to detach this crevice tool and attach the brush crevice tool. And I'm going to take some cornflakes and I'm going to crush those up. And I'm going to sprinkle those onto the table. So I'm going to use that for the test. So just press the brush and then put it forward. The brush kind of helps. Sometimes it just gets stuck, but it's fine. It's good because I think you can collect them all and then you can just group them all up. Just like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to put the attachments onto the wall mount. I'm not going to attach it to the wall right now, but I'll add the footage of us putting it on. So the crevice tools go right here. One on each side. You just have to press the button and they lock on. So do that for both of them. That's it. Put it in. There we go. And then there's a little hook right here. And once it's on the wall, let's imagine that this is on the wall right now. Then bring the vacuum. You're just gonna put this in, just like that. And it's gonna be on. Okay, after you're done vacuuming, you're going to empty the unit out. So let's detach the attachment, and let's just flick the switch, and everything comes out. Some stuff in the lid, let's take that out. There's a max line right here, which will tell you how much, like, you should empty it out when the trash reaches this max line. And I just want to take a quick look at the filter and see how dirty it is. So let's just take it out. It's not that dirty, there's just some crumbs and dust and stuff around the edges. But other than that, most of the stuff is stuck between it, if you can see. Like right there. If I shake it, stuff comes out. But let me put this quickly back on. There we go.
So yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!